Hello everyone, welcome to Global Online Chemistry. Today we are going to deal with our important concept number 3, that is Wittig reaction and its stereochemistry. First of all, we are going to deal with what is our statement. Statement is that reaction involve conversion of carbonyl compound into alkene by using phosphorus ylide. Now our reactants are carbonyl compound and phosphorus ylide, and we get product of alkene. But which type of alkene we got, it depend upon phosphorus ylide. Our trick is that if ylide is attached with electron donating group, then resulting alkene will be Z alkene, and if ylide is attached with electron withdrawing group, then resulting alkene will be E alkene. This trick in short is for determination of stereochemistry. Now let's go for example. In this example, this is a carbonyl group and this is a phosphorus ylide in presence of PHH and in presence of heat. Now we know that COOCH3, this ester group is an electron withdrawing group. Now according to our trick, if ylide is attached with electron withdrawing group, then resulting alkene will be E alkene. And let's see another example. This is a cyclic ketone and in presence of phosphorus ylide attached with aldehyde which is an electron withdrawing group in presence of THF minus 78 degrees Celsius and PHLi, it will give E alkene as a major product. Now this is a third example. This is an carbonyl compound and it is going to react with phosphorus ylide having electron donating group in presence of butyl lithium and temperature. It will give Z alkene as a major product. Phosphorus ylide is attached with electron donating group, that's why resulting alkene is an Z alkene. This is the simplest way to determine stereochemistry of an alkene, whether they are E alkene or Z alkene. In that we have one of modification. In that we can say it as a modification first. In that, if our base is butyl lithium, temperature is about minus 78 degrees Celsius, and if we use solvent as THF, then our ylide give E alkene as a major product. Means we have to remember this modification. We are going to see one of example regarding it. CH3, CH2, COH, it react with PPH3, CH2, CH3. In presence of N-butyl lithium, temperature is minus 70 degrees Celsius and solvent is THF. Now look at this example. As we talked earlier that if our reactant have carbonyl group and ylide attached with electron donating group, then it will give Z alkene as a major product. But according to our modification, if we use base as a butyl lithium and temperature is minus 78 degrees Celsius and solvent is THF, then our ylide will be E alkene as a major product. Therefore our major product is E alkene as a major product. So our E alkene. This is our first modification. After that, Haworth modification came. According to Haworth modification, if methylene group is sandwiched between two electron withdrawing group, this methylene group is sandwiched between two electron withdrawing group, then first condition, at high temperature or room temperature. If temperature is not given, we have to consider it is as a room temperature. In presence of DME as a solvent, our resulting product will be E-alkene. And second condition, at low temperature, in presence of THF as a solvent, we got E-alkene as a major product. We have to remember this condition at high temperature and at low temperature. If temperature is not given, we have to consider it is at a room temperature. The difference between is that in solvent, if solvent DME used, then we have to remember that it is Haworth modification at high temperature. If THF is given, then we have to recall that it is an Haworth modification in presence of low temperature. For example, now I am going to write one of example regarding it. This is an Haworth modification in presence of NaH DME plus aldehyde. What we get according to our first condition is, if methylene group is sandwiched between two electron withdrawing group, then Wittig reaction is going to apply Haworth modification and our solvent is DME. Then it will produce what? It will produce E-alkene as a major product. This is our alkene, the E-alkene as a major product. Now let's see another one example. HWE Haworth modification in presence of NaH and at THF as a solvent. Then we come to know that this is an example of Haworth modification at low temperature. Then according to our condition, we should get what? We should get Z-alkene as a major product. Should get Z-alkene as a major product. This is what all about Wittig reaction. Thank you so much for watching. If in that content, if you have any types of doubt, please comment in a comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.